guys, we are back with another episode of.
Bro, there's a thing. Rohit, my man, are you excited?
Yeah, I'm also. See what's today.
Nice, right? Think
Yeah.
about some good place. I wonder what it can be. Some dessert?
Maybe some main course.
Comes.
Oh my god. Some
Oh,
fish only,
this
but
is fish.
fish.
Oh, yes, it is. What is this? This is deep fried something fish. I'm coming from Kerala. I love fish fry. But this is a different type of.
I think this is not cheese. It's like some onion, I think. This is egg, bro. They have coated with egg.
Yeah,
It's egg.
egg. Yeah, it's egg.
I'm still having doubt. This is fish.
This is fish, bro. You should know. Oh, this is too strong. Oh. Deep fried fish, which is.
This is a covering of a white egg.
This mustard dip is called Kashandi. This is not your regular mustard. This is some intense flavored mustard. Kerala, Bengali. We all love seafood. Nothing beats our curry bean pollichadu though.